Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute, but I feel like everyone who knows me is pretty sick of me complaining about how much I work, and I don't mean to complain. I'm just, I don't know, it makes me really tired. But a lot of great things have been happening for me lately. I just bought a car. I'm so happy about it. I just bought my first car and it's amazing. I love it so much. And yeah, but I've been really busy in the month of July and I didn't get to upload even though I really wanted to. And what else? But I ordered part of the Zodiac collection by Colourpop and Kathleen the day it came out because you know I had to get my hands on it. I love astrology, I love Colourpop, and I love Kathleen, so like those three things together meant that I needed it. And it needed me. It really did. But yeah, so I came up with this look. Let me tell you, I had a hard time figuring out what shades to use because there's so many, but I figured it out. There were some bumps in the road along the way, but I'm really happy with the way it finally turned out. As you can see, I have the bright blue Pisces color because of course I had to use it. I'm a Pisces. I'm a true Pisces, and my creative side was just coming out and I just had to use the blues and purples, especially because I have brown eyes and I thought it would complement my brown eyes really well. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look and also hear my review on the palette, one of the highlighters, a supernova shadow, and one of the lipsticks, then just keep on watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also like this video, follow my Instagram, SamiambeautyX, and also my Facebook page, SamiambeautyX as well. And yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so before we get into the tutorial part of the video, I'm going to show you all the products. I'm going to swatch them, tell you pricing, and all that jazz. And first of all, I already unboxed everything. I've already used it, at least the palette, a couple times. They all came in these super cute boxes. Like, look at the artwork on this. How cute is that? All the names are on the back. I just love the visual representations of each sign on the boxes. I think that that's so cute. Like, I've never seen packaging like this and I think it's really cute. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is the palette. So this is a palette. This one has a mirror in it, thank the Lord, and these are the colors that come in the palette. And I just dug my nail into it. Damn it. Sorry, Aries. So Kathleen did her best to kind of create a color representation of each sign, and like she explained in her own video, she wanted to make this a cohesive palette that you could actually use every day instead of making each sign a crazy color. So that's why there are, you know, browns and muted tones and transition colors and things like that, which I totally love. So these are all the colors there. I would say that Kathleen did an amazing job coordinating the colors with each sign. I am a Pisces. I would say I'm a pretty true Pisces. I'm very romantic, very dreamy, very head in the clouds, very emotional. I'd say that's pretty accurate to me. I'm obsessed with my color and it will definitely be the main focus of today's look. Next, I also got the lipstick in What's Your Sign, which is a gorgeous nude pinky brown. I got the supernova shadow in Constellation. It's so metallic, it's so pretty. And then I got the super shock cheek in On the Cusp. Gorgeous, and I will use that as my highlight today. Now the only thing is that my super shock cheek came deformed. As you can see, it doesn't fit the whole pan and it's cracked and just a little disfigured, which is okay. It still works the way it should as far as I know. Oh, and here's the packaging of the supernova shadow and the packaging of the Colourpop cream lipstick. Gorgeous, like really, really pretty packaging. Oh, and the super shock cheek is in like a navy blue. little container, it's usually white. Like all the original Super Shock cheeks are white. This is a navy blue. So those are the 4 items I got. Now pricing, and this is all in US dollars. I'm just looking at the websites. I will put on the screen what it is in Canadian dollars because I'm from Canada. So the Zodiac palette is $18, which is so affordable for 12 shadows. Like that's such a great price. The What's Your Sign lipstick is $7 US. Constellation Supernova Shadow is $7 US, and On the Cusp Super Shock Highlight is $8. As I'm looking at the website, everything I'm talking about today is sold out except for the palette, which is great because the palette is and was the product that I was most excited for anyways. So I have zero idea what I'm gonna do, like absolutely none. I think I'm definitely gonna use the Pisces color. I'm just gonna go in with the Libra color, which is that soft pink. Just popping this in the crease. Because I have used this palette already, I feel pretty confident when I say that it is just like the Dream Street palette, which is one of my favorite palettes of all time, and it is the other Kathleen Lights Colourpop collaboration. Next I'm going to go in with the Aquarius color, which is that one there. I'm going to put this in the crease as well, but just a little bit lower. So I'm just going to place that first and then blend it. I'm gonna go in with the Sagittarius color, which is that really bright fun purple there, and I'm gonna stamp this in the outer corner. I feel like this is looking like a bruise. I'm gonna go in with the Pisces color now. Wow, this kind of looks like shit, huh? Okay, I'm back. So basically I was doing this look and then I hated it. I don't think the colors I chose to go with one another paired well, and it made it look like a bruise on my eye. And that's completely my fault. I don't think I paired the colors well at all. But then I added the Pisces color and I still hated it. Then I added the Scorpio color on the outside, and I think it looks a little better, and I continued with the Sagittarius color underneath, and I think it's looking okay. So I'm just gonna keep going with this video because even though it's not my favorite look, this is a review on the palette and the products here, not necessarily like this is a tutorial because this is a look that I want to teach everyone how to do. This is just showing you how each product works. I don't know if you can see, but this color in my crease is very purple, and this is it's also purple but more warm. And this one is a little bit more cool toned because I mixed that blue in there. But that's the thing, like the colors blended together really well. I just don't think I paired them right. Also, with the glitter colors, there was a lot of fallout, but that's kind of to be expected. I'm gonna go back in with the Pisces color and just blend this a little bit better. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and put that in the waterline. And I'm gonna put on my mascara, and I'm gonna put a liner on the top, and I'll be right back. And actually, before I go in with my mascara, I'm gonna take the Capricorn shade and just smudge out the lower lash line a little bit. And I decided to change my shirt because, yeah, I thought the orange was clashing a little. I actually just bought this. I've never used it. It's the MAC Extended Play Cake Black Lash Mascara. So I'm excited. Okay, so this is the look with the mascara on. I love this mascara. I wish it had a little bit more volume, but it definitely gives a lot of length and a lot of curl. I do really like this mascara. It's really nice, and it's really great for the bottom lashes. I'm sure if I did a couple more layers, it would give more volume, but you know what, I got time for that. Okay, so last on the eyes, I realized I haven't used this yet, so I want to put this on the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm just gonna pop that in. I really like that actually. I'm gonna take a really little brush and just kind of blend that in, especially up here. Okay, and now for the highlight. I'm just going to use it on my finger. I found that that's the best way to apply the Super Shock Cheek products. So I'm just going to dab that on. I could definitely apply this with a sponge. I just don't have my beauty blender because Twinkie ate it. think that looks really pretty. And what I always do is I bring my highlight up and around my brow. I think this would be really nice for days when I'm not wearing foundation, just to like literally swipe it on and give myself that really glowy effect, because by patting it, it's not giving the same payoff it did when I swiped it for the swatch on my finger. Like, it's really pretty, but it's not what I'm used to. And it does have a rosy hue to it, which I really like. Maybe it's not giving me the same finish because I do powder my cheek area, putting it on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Yeah, it's just not giving me the same effect it did on my hand when I swatched it. That's a little disappointing, to be honest. But I don't know. What do you think? Can't really tell how it's picking up on camera, but I'll go back and check it when I'm editing it. Okay, now the lipstick. What's your sign? What does these smell like? It smells like marshmallows. Huh. How cute is this? It has like little star stamps all over the lipstick. That's so cute. Summarize. I love this collection. I love Kathleen Lights. I love Colourpop. I think they did a really, really great job with this whole collection. The only one I had a bit of an issue with was the Super Shock Cheek. I have other Super Shock Cheek shadows. They applied better than this one. I don't know why. Maybe it's the color, or maybe it's just because mine did come like deformed, so maybe the formula was like defective too, not just the shape of it. I'm really not sure. But I love the Supernova shadow. I love the lipstick. I think it's really close to Velvet Teddy by MAC. I don't know where my Velvet Teddy is, otherwise I would do comparison swatches, but yeah, I think it's really close to Velvet Teddy. And the palette is what I'm most obsessed with, and even though I had a bit of a hard time at the beginning of the video, I do really like this look now. The colors do blend together really, really well, and I do feel like you could use this palette every day, even though I know there's some really fun colors in here. You can make nice everyday looks with more of the neutrals. I also think that you could pair this really well with the Dream Street palette. Hold on, let me grab that. I don't know if you can tell by just the packaging, but my Dream Street palette is very well loved. Like, look at this. Here they are side by side. I think that they're so cute. And I think you could really pair them well together. The palette is gorgeous. I'm really happy that they took everyone's feedback and put a mirror in the palette and also the names on the front. And the packaging is so cute. Like, everything was, almost everything was really, really awesome. And I'm really happy I got it. No regrets here. I love supporting Kathleen. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. Congratulations, Kathleen. This collection is beautiful. You did an amazing job, and I know that it's something she's really passionate about. It's something I'm really passionate about, and I'm so glad I picked this up when I did. Now, shipping to Canada was $10. It came, I think it took the collection about a week and a half to get to my house. But yeah, guys, this wraps up the whole entire video. If you want to see other tutorials with the Zodiac collection, or if you want to see me putting the two palettes together for a look, let me know. And let me know any other recommendations of video ideas you have in the comments below. Don't forget to follow my beauty Instagram, SamiamBeautyX, and I now have a Facebook page for it too, so that's also SamiamBeautyX. And subscribe and like, and I'll see you later. Bye! Where are you going? I don't know why I'm suddenly out of breath. Super Shock Cheek Shadow. Super Shock. I have other super... So I'm going to add... Twinkies. stop moving. Twink, stop moving.